Right, the scenario so far, I got rid of this one. That was on there originally, but it only held that bearing. It wouldn't hold the top bearing. So I made another one of them. They're identical. That's a finger. That's it. And this is supposed to where the filament goes. But what I've decided is I'm going to fit that with one hand. I'm going to fit that on there. You know, I could even cut that off. Take that bit off, so this comes in even closer. So what I'm doing now is cutting the plate to fit in here. I had to cut several because for some reason my laser do not cut a round circle. So I keep going till I get it right, and then that fits in there pretty good. So that's going to be glued in there. I went over the works and found this. Now this is off a timing belt, and it fits absolutely perfecto. Piece of paper, but we're cutting one out now of acrylic. So I got it to fit in pretty good actually. That one on this side. I got this far. Not happy at all. This one is taller than this one. How to work that out? And you can see the cogs leaning because this one's going down a bit. So I'm not happy with that. But I'll do a spacer in there to push that out there. So we'll put an inch, whatever that is, I'll measure it after. We'll put an inch spacer in there, and apart from that, it works alright. It's alright making shit out of plastic, but you know, at the end of the day, it's a shitty plastic, and you can't rely on it. You know, alright, this thing goes about that fast. This is slow as, you know, like that. So, you know, there's no stress on it, but yeah, I still like things looking proper. Yeah, I don't like that sort of looking shit. Yeah. So I'm gonna measure up now and take it all back apart. Not liking whatsoever. You know, plastic is so plasticky. But we are working it, is it? A gap between there, so she's not binding, but these cogs are shite. That goes on there like that. I was going to cut a hole there and put glue in there, you know what I mean, just to hold the motor on a bit better. But this will eventually slide to engage, which is, that will eventually go there. We just make a piece of wood now to slide there like that. Chunk, 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 chunk. We're going to give it a rest now because the battery on my jigsaw is flat, so I can't cut the piece of wood to go in here to slide back and forth. But we got to see if it works, but otherwise we're wasting our time. So let's just make sure it works. Well, it's going around. So this will eventually just slide into there like that. And that's how fast it is. Can you see that moving? Super speeds. And then this is pulling your filament through the hot head, whatever you can call them. So that's going to go there. I'm hoping to have a butterfly nut by there, loosen, slide back, and when you're ready to go, slide forward, tighten your nut up. Ooh, tighten your nuts up. and that'll fit there like that. I don't like these cogs. Terrible, terrible idea. So that goes like that. I kept this, the bit I cut off there. So I might fit it on there and put a belt on it to drive something else, you know. If something's going around, you could put that on there to drive whatever. I don't know what fucking I'm talking about, but we'll get there eventually. So there you are, folks. I'm calling it a day.